The Toyota Tacoma's rear wall is relatively thin and full of obstructions. Because of this, we highly recommend adding sound dampening material to either the rear wall, the subwoofer box itself, or both. Start by peeling back about 2 inches of the liner and pressing the mat onto the box as shown. Work your way down, rolling or firmly pressing the material into place. If you don't have a roller tool, we highly suggest wearing leather gloves to protect your hands from the sharp metallic backings. Next, line up the second sheet as closely as possible without overlapping the seam. You may need to cut or stretch the matting to fit perfectly into the enclosure's recessed areas. Trim away any excess. If you have any exposed spots left over, use your scraps to touch up those areas.
Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of the social medias, as well as subscribe to us on YouTube, because I'm going to be showing you how to do a complete audio upgrade in your 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma, whether it has JBL, non-JBL, is a hybrid, or a non-hybrid.